in Pronost, I talked about how this new Earth and old Earth are not going to come together. I talked about the fact that there is a new Earth. It is not a physical place, but some will perceive it as being physical. They look out into the solar system and they see a gravitational force. They don't see a planet, but a gravitational force. So, being smart mental beings, they say, then there must be a planet there. We just can't see it because it's hiding behind Uranus or the sun or whatever. I didn't name the planets. They say it's hiding behind something. Nah, come on. I always love when science tries to validate itself with bullshit. They're seeing this gravitational effect, so they assume that there is solid matter there. What they don't understand is the energy, or the dynamics of gravity. Gravity is simply the response to consciousness. Time and space generally moving through consciousness, and it creates what appears to be matter. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be matter. So they're calling all of this Planet X, Planet 9, Nibiru, and all the rest of these things. No, what they're seeing out there is the gravity of New Earth. And that gravity is actually stronger than the gravity of this planet. But gravity doesn't have to pull things down or compress things in. Gravity can be an attractant for anything. Gravity can attract energies. Gravity is kind of the stream on which energies flow in and create realities. What they're seeing is New Earth, not Planet X or 9 or anything like that. So I talked in Pronost about then Theos. And basically, to summarize, I said, old Earth and new Earth are not going to come together. And that's a tough one for a lot of people. But it's also the good news because Theos, this place on the new Earth, which is very real, and right here. Gravity they're seeing when they look in their through their instruments, the gravity they're seeing, they assume is out to the outer reaches of the solar system. Because, I'm trying to get this through Caldra, because their belief systems then create that reality that it's a long way away. They could not possibly believe it's sitting right here. They cannot. So the belief actually creates the reality. Then for them it is out there, but the fact is it's right here. The very gravity they're seeing all these millions, billions of miles away, it really isn't. That's just their perception. The way reality is perceived through the eyes and through the mind. But I digress.